The Canon EOS R7 Mark II has become one of the most anticipated cameras of 2025, with leaks and rumors swirling around its potential specifications, pricing, and release date. The original Canon EOS R7, launched in 2022, was widely praised for being a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera that offered professionals and enthusiasts alike a lightweight but feature-rich option, especially appealing to wildlife, sports, and action shooters. Now, with technology rapidly evolving, Canon appears ready to push the envelope once again with the R7 Mark II, a camera that many believe will represent a huge leap forward in the APS-C category. According to leaks, Canon is not treating this as a small update, but rather as a bold step forward to cement the R7 line as a serious professional tool in the mirrorless space. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The most exciting part of the leaks surrounding the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is the rumor of a brand new APS-C stacked CMOS sensor, something that would be unprecedented in Canon's cropped sensor lineup. The original R7's 32.5 MP sensor was already excellent, delivering sharp images and respectable performance, but the move to a stacked architecture would dramatically improve readout speeds, rolling shutter performance, and continuous burst rates. Sources suggest that the R7 Mark II could deliver up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, putting it on par with Canon's higher-end full-frame models like the EOS R3, albeit in a much smaller and more affordable package. This would be a game-changer for wildlife and sports photographers, who often demand both speed and portability. The combination of high resolution and stacked speed could make the R7 Mark II one of the most versatile APS-C cameras ever built. Autofocus is another area where leaks point to huge improvements. Canon has been developing its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system to incredible levels, and the R7 Mark II is expected to inherit the latest iteration of subject detection AI. This means not just humans, animals, and vehicles, but potentially more advanced tracking like birds in-flight recognition, insect tracking, and even improved face and eye detection in low light. For wildlife photographers, this could mean tack-sharp images of birds in fast motion, and for videographers, it means smoother, more reliable subject tracking without constant manual corrections. With Canon's deep learning algorithms advancing quickly, the R7 Mark II could easily become one of the best autofocus performers in the APS-C world. Video performance is also rumored to receive a massive upgrade. The original R7 already impressed with 4K oversampled from 7K at up to 60p, but the Mark II might push things further with 6K OpenGate recording or at the very least 4K 120p slow motion. Creators are particularly excited about the potential of Canon, including 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording with C-Log 3, which would allow for more flexible grading in post-production. This would transform the R7 Mark II into a mini powerhouse for YouTubers, filmmakers, and documentary shooters who need high-quality video in a compact form factor. If Canon manages to include uncropped 4K 120p with reduced rolling shutter, the R7 Mark II would outshine nearly every APS-C competitor on the market. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, is also expected to see improvements. The R7 already offered up to 7 stops of stabilization, which was impressive, but leaks suggest the R7 Mark II could stretch that to 8 stops, making handheld shooting in low light even more practical. When combined with Canon's growing lineup of RFS and RF lenses with optical stabilization, this could create an incredibly powerful system for both photographers and filmmakers who want to avoid tripods or gimbals. For travel shooters, vloggers, and outdoor adventurers, this stability means sharper shots and smoother footage without added bulk. Design leaks suggest that Canon will not overhaul the form factor dramatically but will refine ergonomics. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature a slightly deeper grip, a higher resolution 5.76 m (EVF), and a brighter vari-angle